Good morning, student. On last turn, we revised the chapter 8 and I solved so many questions of trigonometric ratio and identities. These ratios and identities are very important and they are not in the book of NCERT. And these questions are very important. I hope you will do these questions because the identities always come from outside the book in board examination. Now today I am going to take application of trigonometry. Chapter 9. There are some new questions which are not in your NCERT book, but these questions have already come in board examination and they may come in the board examination in coming year. So see the questions one by one. Like question number 1, a tower of 100√3 meter high if it is 300 meter away from its from a point on the ground find the angle of elevation. We have done many questions in trigonometric, but in no question we find the angle. Here we will find the angle of elevation. This is your tower which is 100√3 meter and this is 300 meter away. Find the angle of elevation. This is AB. Let AB is 100√3 meter high tower. C is 300 meter away from B. In triangle ACB, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base AB upon BC 100√3 upon 300. This 3 is a √3 upon 3. Thus √3 upon 3 is written as √3 into √3. This cancel it. We get it 1 upon √3. 1 upon √3 is the value of tan is tan 30. Therefore theta is equal to 30 degree. See the second question. A tree 12-meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. At what height from the bottom the tree is broken by the wind? So this is a tree which is 12-meter high. It is broken from this point. AB is tree broken from point C and come to this point on the ground. It touches the ground and make the angle of 60 degree. Find the height from the bottom. You have to calculate this height. The tree is broken by the wind. That part broken it and come to this point D. Let AB is a tree of height 12 meter. It is broken by wind from a point C A touches to a point D. So AC is equal to CD. Let CB is equal to H, then AC will be equal to AB minus BC, that is 12 minus H. So this is 12 minus H and CD is equal to AC is equal to 12 minus H. So this is also 12 minus H. In triangle CD be taking, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, so sin 60 perpendicular upon hypotenuse, root 3 upon 2 h upon 12 minus h. Cross multiply 12 minus h, root 3 is equal to 2h. 12 root 3 minus h root 3 is equal to 2h. Taking on this side, 12 root 3 is equal to h root 3, 2h plus h root 3. 12 root 3 is equal to h common, 2 plus root 3. And h is equal to 12 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 multiply with its conjugate, 12 root 3, 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus root 3 square, 12 root 3, 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3. 2 minus root 3 meter. 12 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 meter. This is the answer. Let us take third question. The angle of elevation of top Q of a vertical tower PQ from a point X on the ground is 60 degree at a point y 40 meter vertically above x. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of tower and tower PQ and distance XQ. This is your tower PQ. This is the top point. This is the point X on the ground, which is 60 degree. A point Y 40 meter above. This is Y 40 meter above x, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of tower and XQ distance. XP होना चाहिए. This is XP, not XQ. So in triangle QXP, tan 60 is perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 is root 3 h upon x, or h is equal to x root 3. Taking this point R, yx is equal to PR is equal to 40 meter, QR is equal to h minus 40 meter, and XP is equal to YR is equal to x. In triangle QYR, tan 45 is equal to perpendicular upon base, 1 is equal to QR upon YR, 1 is equal to h minus 40 upon x, and x is equal to h minus 40. Value of x is h is x root 3. So x is equal to x root 3 minus 40, or 40 is equal to x root 3 minus x. Taking x common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 40, x is equal to 40 upon root 3 minus 1. Multiply and divide it by conjugate. 40 root 3 plus 1, that is root 3 square minus 1 square. 40 root 3 plus 1, that is 3 minus 1. 40 root 3 plus 1 upon 2, 20 root 3 plus 1 meter, and height is x root 3, so it is 20 root 3 plus 1 root 3 meter, or 23 plus root 3 meter. These are the two answers. Okay.